In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Punjab University test MCQ, that is the value of closed integral cos2z plus cos hyperbolic 4z divided by z dz with complex number absolute of z is equal to 2 is a solution. Cauchy's integral first formula, that is, suppose that f is analytic in a simple connected domain D and C mean complex is any simple closed contour lying entirely within D, then for any point z naught within C, f of z naught is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi iota closed integral f of z divided by z minus z naught dz. That is the formula. We see that z naught is equal to 0 in the point within the circle, so C absolute of z is equal to 2, at which the integral fails to be analytic. We can identify f of z is equal to cos 2z plus sine hyperbolic 4z. Thus, using the Cauchy's integral formula, we have closed integral cos 2z plus cos hyperbolic 4z divided by z dz is equal to 2 pi if 0 equal to 2 pi iota 1 plus 1 is equal to, it means 2, so 2 times is 4 pi iota, so option D is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.